Your basement wall is cracked, and you're told that this crack is caused because your home's foundation is shearing. You think that that sounds bad. Stay tuned to find out what foundation shearing is. Hi, I'm Nolan Berry, and I'm the Director of Sales at AccuLevel. In this video, I'll tell you what foundation shearing is, how to fix it, and how much does it cost to be fixed. Before we go further, please give us that thumbs up and ring that bell. Let's get started. What is foundation shearing? When we're talking about foundation shearing, what we're talking about is when a basement wall typically shifts in and how it's shifting in. So what will happen is it's most commonly found on a block wall where a block will physically just shift directly on top of another block, creating a very sharp edge in that basement wall, allowing that wall to slide in even further. Depending on how much the shear is, if it's up to 1.5 inches, it can easily be stabilized with carbon fiber straps, or you can stabilize it with wall anchors or tiebacks. Now, if that shearing comes to be almost 4 inches, a lot of times that wall is going to need to be straightened, then stabilized as well. So when you think about the cost of fixing a foundation that's sheared, it really depends on how much it's sheared. Like we talked about earlier, can it just be stabilized or does it have to be completely straightened? If it could just be stabilized, you're going to be in the realm of about $500 per strap to stabilize that. Now we space those straps out every 4 foot. So that's going to be on the lower end. Now when you get into straightening that wall to solve this shearing, you could be about $200 a foot plus the $500 per strap every 4 foot. And so on a normal 20 to 30 foot basement wall, you could creep up into that $15,000 to $20,000 range. That's why it's so important to catch it early and make sure we can save money on this type of repair. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, AccuLevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about your basement wall shearing? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.